Hello everyone, my name is Danielle and welcome to our live stream. Follow our store Dealstories on Amazon and check out more products which we have there. So today I'm going to be reviewing a lot of different things which make me excited because they are connected to crafts and they are very fun, and we're going to review many of them, and I'm going to show you the details, show you examples how they work, and definitely don't forget to check out more of our live streams because we go live every Tuesday from 7 to 8 and we show a lot of different kinds of products and things. So today we kind of have this bunch of a lot of different crafty things, and if you're a crafty person or you have a kid or nieces or kids in the family who love doing crafts, this is really useful for teachers, for adults who love doing crafts. I do crafts myself. I have siblings, I have cousins, so this is really useful for me. We already tried out another package of these. First product I'm going to show you, they're all pinned to this live stream. You can check it out right away. This is 3D string art with lights, and this is do it yourself. I'm gonna move it closer and show the box to you. It shows 8+. I'm not sure if younger kids can do it, maybe with the help of adults, but it shows 8+. I'm definitely 8+, so I can do that, definitely. The kit includes LED lights, iron wire, a jar of grippy goo glue, inflatable balloons, metallic twist ties, plastic inflation straw, and disposable gloves, which is really convenient. Here you can see at the back all the things which are included. Basically, all you need is included, and it is very convenient. You don't really need to, buy too many things as addition. So let's open the box. I already prepared a ready demonstration from another box for you, so we don't have to wait until it dries out for the whole live stream. This is how the inflatable balloons look. It's really cool. So this one is a star and this one is a moon. You can see they're all very cute. And we also have blue string and purple strings, and we have a lot of other things. Let's take it all out. Good. Yeah, so most important things which you're going to use, you're going to use the straw to blow the balloon. Then you are going to use the glue. I already took it out of the box. You're going to use the glue which comes with it to wrap around the balloon. Then you wrap this thing and it dries out. The good thing is you have the disposable gloves to use. I have already used them. They protect you from the glue. Basically, you don't need to get your hands all dirty. And they also come with 2 of those. Here is one. Here is the second one. And those things are the things that create the most magic. The second one is over here. They don't come with batteries, but those are basically simple AA batteries, and I have them at home, so it wasn't a big deal for me, and I'm sure it will not be a big deal for you. And here I have a live demonstration of a ready craft. You see how alike it looks with the picture? It's quite identical, I would say. It's really identical. I think I have done a really good job with my siblings. It was really fun craft to make. It wasn't very hard. It does take time to dry out, but once it's dry, it's quite decent and stable. It's really cute moon. And right now I'm gonna put in the batteries in this thing, which comes in a box and creates it into a really magical craft. So it combines craftiness and technologies and makes a really fun thing for home decor. Put the batteries in there, AA batteries. Let's close it. Okay, let's wrap it. You can turn it on. You can see that they light up. Really good quality and quite long string. And then you just wrap it around. This is how cute it looks like. And then you can attach it somewhere. Oh, I unwrapped it. You gotta fix it on the thing. by sticking it inside. Yep, like this. It's really convenient. Here how it looks like. I think it's really cute. I think it's really child friendly, and it looks really nice, and it's this type of craft which you would not really want to throw away the next minute you're done with it. They also have this blue star in the package, and everything is included, as I said. The lights, the balloons, the strings, the glue, the gloves, the straw to blow the balloon, and it is quite I would say it's quite fast to make, but then you have to wait until it's dry, and then you poke the balloon, you take it out, and this is how you end up with this fantastic little cute thing. I enjoyed the process, and it comes with, of course, it comes with the instruction sheet, which describes all the steps for you. How to mix the glue, how to poke the balloon, how to inflate it, and so you don't get lost with all the things. It's really fun thing to do with children, and I definitely can advise it as a really checked and cool stuff. This is what you get at the end. It looks even cooler when it's dark. You can use it to decorate your room, or to, I don't know, put it on a Christmas tree if it's a Christmas time maybe. Yeah, so quite a lot of things, and it's a really good quality strings as well. They're really soft and bright, so I'm quite satisfied with this string art. Again, it makes two crafts, and I'm gonna show it to you up close.